What's up guys? So, Huawei is doing pretty smart move to save its business, at least to get profit in some of the big markets. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, we know the situation where Huawei is standing is really heartbreaking. They don't have enough supplies to make flagship phones and also console their flagship phones to some of the big markets. One of them is the United States of America. So, right now, Huawei is not selling its phones in the United States, and if it's selling, then the people of USA are not buying them because of the image of the company presented by their government. Anyhow, finally, Huawei will start selling its Huawei Mate 40 Pro to the United States, but under a different name. Yes, a report claims that TD Tech will release a virtually identical version of the phone with its own brand name stamped on the back, possibly as a way to sell units without running afoul of the US sanctions against Huawei. And I would say that's a great thing for the fans of Huawei who can't buy that phone. So, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro version to be sold by TD Tech doesn't have an official name, but images shared by the Vivo user ARC shows a device that looks remarkably similar to the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, with the Huawei logo swapped with the TD Tag one, and like I mentioned at the center of the camera block, replaced by a Benjan Ultra version camera label. So other than that, the design is identical. So, having said that, the TD Tech version of the Mate 40 Pro receives certification, and aside from the logo, it has identical specs as the Huawei original. That includes a Kirin 9000 chip, 6.7-inch display with 90Hz refresh rate, 4400 mAh of battery, and the support of 5G in the United States. Also, the TD Tech version will have its own renamed EMUI version, and there is a catch. There right now it's not clear whether it will support Google mobile services, and potentially Android, and there are chances that it may get upgrading Android Sport, because the company is swapped. So in papers Google and U.S Can stop it to use their services, but again it's not clear yet, and this isn't the first time TD Tech has sold rebacked version of the Huawei phones. The brand re-released the Huawei Nova 8 Pro as the TD Tech N8 Pro last week. So let's see what will be the strategy here. Anyway, that's all the latest news. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah.